Okay, folks, I put this fence in about '03, or '02. Actually, me and my father-in-law did. And some of my neighbors have been putting up new fences. I painted the house, and so let's see if I can make this fence look a little newer. Here's before. Okay, folks, here is the after. And it's dried. It's like new wood. Pretty cool. Yep. I didn't do that fence over there. That's my neighbor put that one up, but I did this one back here, starting there. Oh yeah, and this side. That one's not quite dry. Right along here. Yep. A lot better than I did earlier. Still a little wet. Actually did this one all the way back. Got a trampoline back there. It's still wet. A little bit. Alright. God, you scared me, Scarlett. Okay, y'all have a good one. Scarlett says, I'm having a good one. Okay. Okay. Alright, Scarlett. Yeah, I'll have a good one.